Any player can play. So you just go do it right. You say if I hear youth, or if you not believe
But
say I hear youth, DNA did if you do.
No, me
So
can't.
you go sometimes no take up till you no take up one enough you take up.
To subscribe is free. To subscribe yet.
She thought her man was something she owned, but nothing is ever what it seems. Remember, life is not a dream. He was drifting and she's trying to hold on. Fear of losing him filled her mind till she crossed that line. A child can't keep a man from leaving. Love can't survive unbeaten. Forbidden love is a dangerous thing. Somebody always ends up feeling hurt, no matter how hard you try to make it work. What began in silence became clear. The future she imagined in her head is not the future ahead. Now she's looking at the life she made, wondering if the price was worth what she paid. Because a heart that's free will always roam, and love can't be built on a broken home. She wanted forever. She wanted.
I say, yeah, papi, mommy love you. And I know you should have a father by your side, but you're not going to be first kid if you grow up without a father. You're not going to be last. Just wanted to know, say, mommy there for you. Yeah? And mommy love you. Just I hurt me. I know I make a mistake. But my baby and a mistake. Indeed, she come in our world. Hold on, papi. Hold on. Hello? Me good. Hold on. Papi. Listen. Me not stress out myself. Me not worry about nothing. Me just there. I go and take care of me and my baby. What me can do? It don't happen already. The baby born. Me not regret having my son. It's my best thing that ever happened to me right now. Hold on. Alright, sorry. Hush, papi, hush. What happened? Good. Yeah, I'm good. So me there take a walk. Go look for yourself, you alright? Alright, but just go and take it easy, you know? Why? Me can ask you one question? Yeah. How you feel? For baby father in the run, for this decision where you choose, how you feel about yourself? To be honest, it feel good for have a son, and it feel good for know say me there for my child, but a mistake what me make by doing what me do, forget him. I can't say I regret it. Because my son did have to come in our world. So why father day? I don't know really. I don't hear from him, I don't see him from a pregnant. So you know say baby born? Well, he must not say baby born by now. He good as all know, but he not care, he never want to pick me.
Why? And I alone a single mom still, and I alone this happened to. But you have your son and you carry him come already. Anyways, me day here when you want me. Just stay and take a walk.
Thanks
Me I
for
go up the
check
road
up
and
on
come
me.
back. Yeah man, anytime man. If you want anything, me day here. Just
No
call me.
problem, me call it.
Alright, bye.
See you later.
I pray my sister, you look so. So make your face long down so. Awa, I beg shoe me lift up so. You know you want me lift your yard. Put it turn up there no longer man. So I pray. How you look so, what happened to you?
Are you gonna come to me?
Me?
Yeah.
Where you couldn't come to me for but no. Where you couldn't come to me for now. How go on? How am to you?
Things kind of rough for me, you know. And they never want some stuff. And me just come to you to ask if I can buy me some pampers and juice and something.
Judge God.
How am
Man, look me there look and I say this is so done or something, but it even start yet. But me I go see what I can do still, cause I yesterday me I'll pay some man for come go and walk up on this or something here for me and thing, you see me? So by now and later I call you and make you know what go on. Cause me house up something make you get me man, cause Jaja.
Nothing I say, then again, you're here from ISIS?
ISIS again.
No, you say ISIS again.
The last time you asked me about ISIS, I remember what happened though? Right, me can't, watch out. You see, right now, I don't want you to ask me about him. I don't want you to know, because watch out. Is it true because I hear style, me and the man leave it to a deal? Because what? What you do? And then make me start pray all the man certain way, you know? And I then sitting there, I try, you can ask me for him again, no, like you want to bring up, you want to hot up all sore.
I'm not
Just
up also, but I'm just asking one question.
No, I wait a long time I hear from him. From the day I go check him, I hear about nothing from him from them time there. You see me? I hear about nothing from him.
Yes, sir, later I'll give me some video.
I call you later and make you get it. I call you later and make you get it. Next time you come to me and ask me for nothing, you call nobody name to me. You come to me for something, you come ask me for something. You ask your friend them out the road if you see me.
Alright, Bulby, I can't do now, you know.
No man, you
It's
piss me
just a
off man,
simple
because last
question.
time I same thing you can do, ask me about my friend. And then when things don't go your way, you go on man, take your time, go on to.
Later.
Me link you, me call upon your bird.
Alright.
I same number you got.
Yes.
It's a girl that come like you, don't learn at all. I pray now.
Right, me no see me bad place that.
Boy. So I take a shortcut around this and say one party thing.
You might say shortcut job blood.
No man, I want to pat around the thing man.
So I say pray.
And that me, I know, I say tell you the truth, do you. I fought to make you know, say, yo, I'm sorry for me come create a scene with the and thing, dog. You know, say, you ain't relevant certain way, you know, but watch out, man. I show be things are going through my brain and be things are happening around the surrounding, you know.
Oh,
and then it nagging in my head again,
Oh,
just a nag, you know.
I was searching either nagging for you. How you feel say me feel?
I know you
Everybody
feel-
they tell me
no,
say,
but watch out,
wait,
Listen.
brother.
Pick the favor you in the youth.
You see same thing again?
No, listen me, man. I'm telling
You see same thing again?
I say, yo, if you do your test, blood test business.
Brother, man, I don't test that, you know, something like, man.
Myself, brother. You know, say yes.
Brother, me sure now. See all the thing, make me listen to you right now. I truly know say me wrong, brother. You know? Because I remember say when done say I'm a dog and I not look at family them, I look my family them need another. But, you know? And see then I just pray say I'm a calm at this youth, but you see just like how he nagging for you, but I hear them, he nagging for me and hear you to brother. The body come to me and tell me the same set of thing that bad man.
Judge God. I say you go still in me, dog. Watch out, man. Boy,
Put yourself in my shoes,
I
bad
can't
man.
put myself in your shoes because I hot married him.
No, you messing up. You go hide and do a thing with a woman. A woman go turn and do a thing like that to himself. How you look upon it?
Boy, don't look on
Oh,
the true you.
what make you feel that you use protection? Come ready for pick me yet, brother. So where you try to tell me, say, if you make you happy, me go mind jacket.
To make me happy, me never tell us if you make me happy, my friend. You never hear that.
So if you make your sister happy, if you mind jacket.
Never say if you make my sister happy, neither. I just say if you just do your
So
right,
you come,
dog.
so now right now you do, where you come find me, me yard. I play my game and I hold my meds, brother. I'm not busy about no business. Some don't involve me for that. You know? I'm telling you, for you see, sitting up on TV, Murray. Can't go to the Murray show, man. And go test the DNA. You know? Yeah. I just rest my brain, brother. Because I know what I'm telling you. No, I'm foolish, them, brother.
What's your problem now?
Seriously?
Oh.
You know, see me for a long while and I say I greet a friend.
Brother, I'm busy. As you can see, I work. I come from, you know. I have a whole heap of things I deal with.
So I know a whole heap of things I deal with. From me, I don't understand what kind of friend I be. From me have baby and not even call look for me one time.
1 year now, I don't say no. 1 year now. You call me?
No, you supposed to call me. You know what me I go through. You can pick up your phone and call me.
The phone work both ways. It work both ways.
I'm glad I know say work both ways. If me not call you, you must can pick up your phone and call me. Because you see people when me never expect to come call look for me and my child, me see them. And you when me take as friend, me not see you not even one time. And you know say me not have no baby father.
Wait, you not come around?
What you mean wait, you not come? You not come round. From day when the man never want to pick me. So what you talk about?
I'm sorry for hear that still. How baby?
The baby alright.
I sit in your compound now, you know, so get to the point because I know say I sit in your compound.
Me did I look for money for you?
I did know. How much money so?
I don't know, anything you can give me, I just want to get some stuff for baby because you know say me start work and then look at something, so things kind of get like hard for me now.
Alright. Me will help you. But now I'll get money now though. You have to go come and me hard for it.
No problem. When now or tomorrow?
If you want it now, if you want it tomorrow, but me after now, the work me I come from kind of tired, so I'm not reach home yet. So when I reach home, they can come.
Alright, me come fit now, come really want to for baby. But you not even would have come look for baby and look for the man say look and then look at something there.
And I say I don't want to call look for me now, but I'm busy. I'm busy right now. You see right now, I don't know. I have so many things tied up. I don't have time for my boyfriend, much less every minute he might call me, so I don't have time for him. Right now, I left work around him, I have to go. Can call me, tell me something to come. Think of find his associate, he might call me again. To be honest, I look for him at the time, but I don't know.
Well, I'm one of the sweetest thing ever come in my life. Because if I never get that little boy there, I don't even know what my life would have been. By just talking about him, it just brings a little joy in my soul. Even though it was a mistake. But by for him coming in the world, I no mistake. I know I did wrong, but God knows, trust me.
Forget little boy, if you got trouble as somebody else left, I forget little boy.
Excuse me?
Listen to me, I can't look for him, but I have a boyfriend to look for right now. To be honest, I have best relationship me ever, you know, so far. Awa,
No.
you look hurt.
No,
It's the best.
why would I have heard? You're my friend, girl.
He did that for me. Everything. He buy me what I want. He carry me out. Everything. You know, so the other day I give him $10,000 and he give me back.
What you do?
I give him $10,000 and he give me, and he was like,
But I know
baby.
idiot.
What do you mean, idiot?
What mean I give man $10,000?
If my man take care of me, I can't take care of him.
No?
Why? It worked both ways in the relationship.
I don't believe in that anyways. What you say? Me I get the money tomorrow, right?
You'll get the money.
Why?
Awa,
No.
you need to find yourself a husband now.
Hey. I don't want nobody. Me and my husband already.
Wait, which
In the
husband?
yard that we are parked.
Me not talk your son. You can't have to find somebody proper enough to look after you and your child.
Me can't, let me tell you. You see how many love that the boy there? For me, going on a relationship right now, it's hard right now.
It's been a year.
You can understand. Me now, any man me see right now is like, me build up a year trees for them because of what that the boy they do me. You know I pain that me go through, you know what me feel.
Yeah, I feel like I pass. Do like me let go my pass. If me never let go my pass, me would start dating.
I try so hard to let go pass.
Focus on your son ahead of you. You cannot focus on him. He move a long time, you know, because right now me say I run road hard, you know.
Don't feel business.
Every night him there bar a bite.
That's
We not
nice.
even talk about it, but you need to move on now.
That's how I go. Me and my son for take care. I not have time for nobody right about now.
So you can show me a picture of him.
Well, no. I'm not showing no picture of my pitney. You're too out order. You're not supposed to see him on phone. You're not supposed to see him. But as a matter of fact, so when you come, you don't come with empty-handed because then so when you go look for baby, newborn baby as that, you must always
A
come with
year in a
something.
newborn, in a couple months in rich now. Which newborn?
I still baby.
Me not give you money, so that is not enough.
No, that the money there me come to you for him, for that. But when you are coming, you have something in your hand.
Alright, we tap out the supermarket and buy a pampers in a plastic bag, buy shredding cap.
What you say?
You know what
I
pampers?
never buy as much as me not have here. I never buy plastic bag pampers to my people.
So now you see pampers and take
No,
out
me
in that
no
packaging.
business if I saw me.
Me cannot afford the case, so me can buy shredding and carry come.
Listen to me, you know as a matter of fact, the argument done so me come to you for money when me want it, but not bring that come give me pitney.
You say walk with something.
As much as me not have it for me pitney, me not go so low with my pitney. No run them serious joke there with me.
It's
You see,
pampers.
listen to me, you see people them on roadside, buy go give them people there. If I that you carry, nobody come. Yeah, later.
What up? Forget it.
Come in now.
Carry lock.
Sorry.
You did lock the door, so what you want me to do? Okay, parking in such a tight space.
You know you got already, babe. Oh, God. So what happened?
I'm here.
Yo, I'm grateful of you. See, yo, I should know I'm grateful and happy for you. You give me the opportunity and so forth, because, you know,
I'm tired.
I'm tired. You feel extra exhausted and something.
Yeah, I left work and I did book up with my friend down, so I talk and then I left from here.
Which friend that?
You know, a girl I get pregnant for ISIS, but
Oh, me I hear about that something there now. She impregnated herself. Me, Jesus, girl, what a life.
stop it.
Whoa.
Happened already.
I'm such a desperate. Hmm?
She's not desperate, it's called love, but
But me can tell you a thing. You remember one night when we carry out and you were so happy and you were so, how can I say now? You were not yourself because you say you're extremely, you know, in a different zone and so forth.
I think I remember.
Remember about 4 Magnum you were in drink that night
And one
then.
Red Bull.
And 1 Red Bull, so you were in fully charged, remember? When we go in and thing and so forth and I never use a protection, you know. I use a protection.
Why?
I say, you know, me were nice too, me fully charged up, me not go around anything.
But
You
you,
know?
were in the right sense of mind.
No, I just, when we wake up, me I say, wait. And I check my pocket and I see my pocket still have a condom, I say, yo, wait. That no go on, I'm forget to tell you, but you move so fast. But everything good, man. You know, say if you, I would done plan say one day, you know, that can go on, you know, but
Ready?
me not ready neither, to be honest, cause me no really have no, you know, plans for no pitney right now. Cause, you know, say, you know, if you have the first child, it's always, you know, something where, I'm gonna say now, you have to plan for it. You have to save for it. Money have to, you know, in one place.
Well, this was the same period this month, so
Even,
let's see.
let's see. Yeah, I mean, I say, so I go on. Don't know anything already.
But
So,
what if I'm pregnant? What if I am?
nothing for worry about, man. You know, so that baby they well nice and healthy and everything nice, man. So you know, if you fret about certain things, it's just that we just start revelation quicker.
Full of more pride there.
Why is it out of the house? But long and short, I'm a bridge, I'm going to link up not too long, you know, because I want to invest some more money, because, you know, when I see that go on now, I think about the possibilities of the fact you might pregnant. It feel good, because I have to invest back some money night, you know what I mean? And him saying now,
First trial, so you know, so you have to be
I
well
tell him,
taken
baby,
care of.
exactly. So, me really and truly, I go, see if I can do a next party, so I can make a money, I can make extra money, and we can, alright, certain way, so I can start, so I give 300,000 a month for put on, separate
But
from.
Me, I want some money this weekend because I lend my friend money.
No worry about that, man. How much money you plan for now, so?
Around like 10,000. She said
10,000.
anything me have. I
Come
feel
on.
baby, and you see, true, me not see him.
Oh, the
baby
same girl,
alone.
oh.
So I'll give her 110 or probably more, because you know, so things expensive.
Yeah, things very expensive. 10,000 I just like baby feeding. And maybe Alaska you have him pitting around your feeding
Me
pan.
offer him to buy the baby 3 pampers and she don't want it.
Bossy and broke, okay. Alright.
Typical, but we still a
Show
help
off.
her still.
I see it, that's why she impregnated herself. I tell you, she just don't really listen to people and work with people and so forth. But you not stay there with you, not true?
No, why would I?
Exactly, that I love about you. That's what I say, there's something special about you that connect me to you, you know. Heart to heart thing. You understand me? I said there's a natural vibes, and for me, just grateful to you choose me, because you couldn't have there with anybody else. You couldn't see a next man walk and give the nicest talk and you take a talk and you know what I mean, me get left on the path. You know what I mean? But when just say what I feel.
You, yes.
And you feel me?
For life.
God man, baby. So what's the way I do now? Food?
Yes, I'm hungry.
Hungry?
Yes.
Hey man, KFC or Popeyes or
KFC.
KFC?
Yes.
Let's go, baby.
Girl thief, me take why your girl easy. One touch, now she says she need me. Relationship, mash up completely. Girl thief, me no business who she there with. Me still take the risk. Me step in at the place, man, now all them girl tight, them nervous.
Yeah.
From late
Aye,
night
bro.
text phone
I pray now, I take you so long bad charge.
I like that.
No, me no smoke to that, you know, my friend, me no smoke, bro. Me no.
That cheat tough, you know.
Yeah, bro,
So I
but
see I go on, everything active.
as I can see it, though.
Well, see man just there, I go on, like some cool boy in the evening. So, I'm saying everything I pull through, you know, my brother. That me make you know I said do. Everything I pull through, you know.
Yeah, cause really, that me call you up here still for talk to you
No,
about,
yeah,
you know,
man.
cause
No, yeah, man. I don't tell us to not worry yourself.
yeah, man.
Because everything have to come through. Remember, say money have to wash in, money have to go through the process before everything can come through. But really and truly, do you know. Oh, your sister. Your sister.
This again.
What?
Bad man. I never diss me call you. Me never call you for chat about my sister.
No, but me I say, yeah, watch out.
No, listen, me never call you me call you for chat about the business and the, how you eating and go certain way. You can't tell me about my sister. Me no like, watch out, man, you see from today that when me have
watch
business
out.
talk, you
No,
not pull
watch
my
out.
sister in night, bad
No,
man.
hear me I tell you, bro.
Fuck.
Look at that. Remember, say me and sister grew up, you know.
Yeah, my
We
sister grew up.
I mean, I'm cool like that.
You don't understand.
When me I say, look here, we don't say me I can forward from me now. Me here say there, so me say, alright. I could have left this till later. I have to go walk up and tell us the business that go and do it, I do and the money I got you process. You could allow that, me not have to walk up.
Brother.
But me I said that from what day.
Brother.
Your sister, bro. And me I say it bring back memories.
Brother.
It bring back memories
Yeah,
for
bring back
you.
memories for you, not for me. What that go do to me? If you talk to me, I tell me about my sister go help me with. Me sure you pray. I see him, me now I'm bridging a bad man. I see him foolish in
I can't tell me about bridging.
Listen, me chat na bad man.
Yeah, different somebody that can't mix me with bridging, brother. Talk still, talk to me, no, man. Because I don't really want to offend you or make you feel
Me I
like
say,
you're there, no,
me I say. Same way for me bridging them, me and him a come from grassroots.
Grassroots, where you come from, said you?
I tell me about this and that and that and this and now he met my sister. or my sister now go fall in a one chop with him way and
Who's virgin that? Where you at?
man, let me talk, brother, listen me. Watch out, man. You see, from today, bad man, from here, I do business. I do strictly business.
Which virgin you talk
Let me
about?
chat now, brother.
Me say which
You don't have to know who I'm here chat about. I know that me call you, you suffer. Me only make you know, say, from today, day, from me here in a business, and we are all a business reason, make it stay business reason. Not pull nobody in a this here when me here a reason. No, no tell me, no ask me nothing about my sister, my friend. Don't ask me nothing about my sister. My sister not there so right now. When you see my sister, you chat to her yourself. Don't pull me in it and tell me say you want me go to my sister with argument for you. Brother. Watch out.
What chunko?
Yeah,
right now, I got
you want chunko par, you chunko breed woman and left woman and road. I don't care about him.
Yeah, man, you can't take different man fat fry me.
No, me not take
me.
Yeah, you and him a par. Birds together. Birds in. Me all chat thing. Yeah,
me
yourself.
The best thing.
For yourself.
Me.
For yourself. Yeah, the best thing for yourself. Watch out, me show you a pray. Everybody I go want the best, or we are going to say them are the best because what? Them are look good name. And then when good name wreck, good on in Jane, everybody start showing them dirty colors. You see, true, me no want you hear dirty. You see, true, brother, you know, you hear me, your brother, but watch out, you see, true, me hear on a good terms and stay upon a good terms. Just make it stay how it stay. No. If a business we are dealing with, make it stay a business. You don't have to pull my sister. You don't even have to think about my sister. You don't even have to. Yeah, man, you keep that to your mind. Keep it in your mind. You keep that to yourself. You love my sister. You talk it to yourself in your mind. If you want mad, you're mad with it. But yes, I try to show you.
Look. You see business now. Everything good.
Everything good. Watch out, man.
Everything good.
Just big up yourself and big up your friend them. Me I go on my side, because actually you not talk with me, I talk about business more, I talk about you tell me about chunko. Yeah man, you chunko par brother, you chunko breed.
Chunko me G like that, but from style and chunko style, different style.
Chunko you G like that, so me not put nothing past you. Me not put nothing past you. You see me, my friend? Me not put nothing past you right now. Right now, my sister go through hell of a thing right now, and I don't want you go make she go through more. So I just avoid her. If you want me, you have the beef there, just make me our business and make it ton of business, my friend.
No problem.
That's why I tell you.
So what you say to me, sir?
Low it, my friend. Just low it.
So watch out. So if you see me, for instance, me not say nothing to you. Me not say nothing to you now. Me, for instance, when I have that conversation and then you see me your sister flex. I say you deal me.
No, me not business with you anymore. Yeah, come to me with the argument, my friend. No, normal, no brother. Just normal, no cause.
Good, I just want to know, bro.
Listen.
Just want to know.
A business man. Me come from far and a business we in right now. Make you foot yourself. Tell me.
We good, bro.
We good. So watch out now. When the money ready, you make me know. When the money ready, you make me know.
Calm down. So we good, bro. We good.
100. Look more.
Just want to know so we good, bro. I'm here, man.
Can't believe this happened to me, girl. What happened? No, you say you want to talk to me. You call me, say you want to talk to me.
Daddy,
talk.
Daddy, relax.
Me not relax.
You like that with me. Remember, say me your old girl.
No, me don't look like me relax. Eh? You don't look like me relax.
No,
talk.
Yeah, move Gigi.
Me not move Gigi. You look like me, I move Gigi. Eh? Talk. You say you want to talk. Me can't believe you, know.
Like you come to me, make me just feel like me nobody want to ask you nothing.
You nobody want to ask me nothing. You know what me I go through? No, tell me.
I don't want to know what you go through. I mean, your daughter, you're supposed to want to know what me they go through.
Me know what you go through.
What me I go through,
you put me through shame, crosses, everything. Me can't go down the road in peace. Why do you me all go to church just one Sunday to say me can't clear my brain? And the people all preach about in a church.
Daddy, listen what me have to say. Me don't want to hear about that right now. I come to you to ask if you can give me money towards the baby because I don't have nothing for the baby. I want some money to get some stuff for the baby.
For the baby?
Yes, for the baby. For your grandson.
My grandson?
Yes,
my grandson?
Yes.
Let me tell you something. You know, say before this little baby thing in the picture, remember say me ain't good for a situation, you know. Because first thing, you make me shame. But you think me shame what you hear? And now me shame after when me hear say you do to yourself and to the family and to me. Me can't believe say you do that, you know.
Daddy, everybody make mistake.
This is no mistake.
Me know say I make mistake when I dey younger.
Oi, you know when you have a bomb in your hand
mistake.
and you pull it pin, I saw you pull it pin. Me can't believe say you do that, my child. Oh, you feel do that? Eh?
Daddy, it was just an honest mistake. And by the way, me not feel like a mistake no more because my son did have to come in our world. And it's like a gift to me right now.
My daughter, let me say something to you. I saw you really want a child.
And I said, I didn't really want a child, Daddy, but it was just a stupid idea.
Stupid idea? For you get yourself pregnant? Eh?
Daddy.
You want to come like you hold yourself and grip yourself and get yourself pregnant? Eh?
Daddy.
You know who are the father? Are you are the father, you know? You are the father, the mother, the papa, and everybody. Because me not play no role in this, you know. Me can't believe, say you, after me teach you, say, when you're going to have sex with somebody who you want to sex along with, have protected sex where and no, you have to tell me, say, any man have sex and you take off
Daddy. Alright, Daddy. Me know what me do. Me really sorry me did do that. And all of this, but you have to forgive me. You say you go to church other day, you must learn to forgive me. Sure, no, say.
I'm not a Christian. Me go to church.
But you read Bible, so you see that in the Bible, Daddy.
Let me say something to you. Let me ask you something now. So, like, why you get yourself pregnant? The man have sex with you, right? And then in discharge now, you know what I talk about. And then you take out that now and put inside of you. So me know so that man have nothing to do with that pitney, no, kind of him pitney, no. Are you pitney from any angle, no?
Daddy, trust me. In a longer run, him have to take care of him pitney. No matter what, because that child is him.
I know for him pitney.
I will for them.
I feel your pitney.
Daddy,
you know so the man can't carry your coat.
If you want to come in.
Can you grape him without in concept?
Daddy, you give me money or not give me money?
Give you money? Me if you give you money?
Yes.
All if me have money, me not have no money for give you. And me not have no money, so me not give you no money. You know what you need to do? You need to just take your little big woman self and go on about your business. Because me there about my business now, you call me, you know. You understand? Me not have no money for give you.
So why you come in the first place?
Me come because I want to hear what you have to say. And what you have to say, me don't want to hear what you have to say. So me sorry, me come.
Daddy, it done happen already. What happened, me can't go back in the past and do it. It done happen already.
You're right, it done happen already.
As a matter of fact, you not give me money. So
me not have no money for give you. Go along about your business. Me can't believe say you grape the man. Look how you want. You know, say the little girl. A little girl never tell me sorry, like, just break it down like a father to a daughter and say sorry. If you give me the money, you give me the money and go on. It don't happen already. What kind of style that? I know some grow your little child. You grape yourself. You know me shame. Father God, oh God, man. Look on him. Him a walk down the road and you look like he's sorry. Go on about your business and ask about no money. Damn it.
Made it strong, but nobody never see me pain. Silent cries like falling rain. When me fall, nobody there around. No, me lost and me can't be found. Everything just turn upside down.
Marika!
Oi!
Come in a gate.
Now come.
But no sound. Every day me fight to survive. No smile on face, me dying inside. Pressure bill on me.
Reach.
I saw you one day, you know, how long me out here for?
Over here.
Me there, tired. I saw me can come give still.
Oh, thanks.
I'm here look so.
No.
I can't wait. I did say I don't give 10, but I'll give 15 instead. I don't want to be in a nuggets. I don't put it. But now I know me I give. Yeah.
Thank you.
You're
Really
welcome.
appreciate it.
You alright though?
Yeah, man, I'm good.
Your brother up there?
I don't know if my brother up there for.
So I can ask for him.
I don't suppose to ask my brother.
About the baby?
Well, he's alright. He's up there, asleep.
You don't come when you can look on him, but you know, I have some things I deal with.
That's alright. You're not carrying it in your hand film, so that's alright.
Well, next time, I promise you 3 pampers, but I don't want it.
I
So.
don't want that. Oh, Maya do something for me. Tomorrow, Maya stay the baby for me. For some little time.
Tomorrow?
Yeah, me have something to go deal with.
How will I deal with you?
Me have one little mission to go deal with because me did go check my brother yesterday, right? And I asked my brother for link up a baby father.
You should say my baby father.
Girl, stop that. Uno done as my mother already, you know, to do that to myself, you know. But me not idiot. Me know who fight pitney. Yeah. Me know who me sleep with. Listen to me. I may ask my brother to link him up for me. But me feel like say I'm me if I go link him myself. Reason being, me can't trust nobody. And then again, me dey have little faith and trust in my brother, but he gone. Because me dey ask him for money for baby, and he not give me a whole day to them me I call him phone and the boy not answer me. So that show me what type of person he be. Me see you are all the person me can depend on because me ask you for something and see that you really and truly come and give me it. So
What exactly you want me to do?
I just want to stay with him. And when I go link up with the baby father and come back. I feel like me have to go link up with him because if I make somebody else go do it, it don't really make no sense. So I want to go page him myself. I want to go talk to myself because I see. Then again, I did that thing somebody bring a baby with me down there. But I don't want him to say pick me and a film and then I have to go stab him. And then my baby I go see mother in a certain range. I don't want my baby see me in them the range. So I rather leave him with you and I go do what I do and come back.
So how long you take some?
I not take more time, probably 1 hour, 1.5 hours, 2 hours.
Okay, now I have my boyfriend to look for at those times.
Come on, Kiki, me your friend. I really need her right now. Like, I'm literally desperate.
So I not help you? They help you now?
Kiki, but one little time you stand with a godson, you tell me say
I never say me not stay with him, I just say don't stay long.
You always do with the
Me
boyfriend.
hardly have time for him, we only get to see each other when we leave work and
Listen to me, you never see a godson friend in your band. So you want look at you get with your godson, not tell me about no.
That means if you take you whole day now to me at one time.
If me take you whole day.
No, take you whole day and see if you don't come back and see me alone.
Yeah, idiot. Me not even going to say, me go say. As I might come later.
Run me?
No, run me. But later, tomorrow.
What time tomorrow you come?
10 o'clock.
How get about in bed every time then?
My girl, 10 o'clock, come. If we quick better.
I open a good on the shoe blade.
You can't do me nothing. Later.
Me not come back here.
You have to come back. Remember, say you have to come stay the godson tomorrow.
She thought her man was something she owned, but nothing is ever what it seems. Remember, life is not a dream. He was drifting.
Hello.
Hello, good night.
Good night.
Yeah, me know you don't know me, but me know you.
You know me where you know me from me.
No worry about that. I have something to tell you. A man where you have, I don't fear him at all.
What you mean, man? I have no fear. What do you mean by that?
Why? That man have about 12 people, and he not mind none.
12?
Yeah, man. And if you don't believe me, I can research it.
They said 12?
Now the bracket there. And again, more until I sit again. More if you see him and stay far from him.
Why?
Because I want him, I'm my man. If he never in the picture, we wouldn't fall out. Some would not like the relationship back.
At least I don't know you, I don't know your name. You were in the picture, your time expired. So it's my time now.
Wow. Me actually I smile. Me actually I blush, you know. The competition nice.
Which competition? No competition.
Well, we start one now. We will see who win.
And me win already. Because every night, my yard is fine. Every evening, my workplace is fine. So you're nothing.
So let me ask you a question. He breed yet? Can that man breed anything in catch, you know?
You don't need to worry about that.
Yes,
You
me
don't
have
need
to worry about that because me one of the baby mother. Me have 2 picking for him.
Me a fear of telling myself, I don't believe shit that you're
So wait, let me ask you, he breed yet?
Why you want to see breathing?
We're being grown people.
If I am pregnant, that's none of your business.
Come on now.
And it seems to me like you're one of his side piece, I guess, because I am not. If I try break up, it now go work.
No, me not try to break you up, but just like, yeah, heads up.
Give me a heads up for what? Did I tell you that I need a heads up?
No. No. You're not gonna know. Remember this saying, you know, under the same day water drop in the water, it rotten. Just take time, you go see.
Well, actually, yes, I am pregnant for him, and this is his first child.
Wow, well, congratulations.
Thank you very much, but I don't need it.
Well, just like, yeah, heads up, miss. Take care of yourself now. And hope you have a wonderful night.
And for your information, he doesn't want you.
I will see you around, sweetheart.
Judge, you can't really believe I'm sitting here. Judge.
So you look sour, go on.
You know, see, them there still do it right now. Over here, I say more go, but I just there going on med car.
Car, you don't know say me what they go on.
Where you say going?
Same thing what you do, man.
What
you
me
don't
do?
know what you do.
What me do?
Oh. So how long you go take to tell me what you do?
What you hear say me do?
Same thing, man. Say, Ray, and if let me tell you something as a big cause, me hear what they go on. And you say if I hear a youth, you have to go just do it right. If DNA if run, DNA run. You understand?
Can you catch them full flow too?
Yeah, man, the flow a grown. Because pitney have to mind, you know.
So I can say, alright. As a big man, I ask you a prayer. Because my cousin, I even share you for lunch. Because you hear that, you hear for them side. You know? I tell you for my side. Me and mama screechy one side go do a little thing. He say I go hold it down, you know. Me hold it down, you know. Do it with protection to, you know. After me take off my thing and dap in a garbage bin, you go in that. Take out a condom and go tell me say you put it inside of you. You believe that?
I know if me believe, you know. But remember, you know, you don't hide and do so anything can happen. Any player can play. So you just go do it right. You say if I hear a youth, or if you not believe say I hear a youth, DNA did if you do. So sometimes you don't take up till you don't take up or enough to take up.
That's true.
So you see what you're in here now, you have to go just fix it.
That means me under what kind of crisis me really go to me and say I come like I come. Because I know I should do it and I still go high go do it and see me pay a price now.
Yeah, so you have to go just do it right. Here.
Oh, I go call.
Because guess what, you see if I hear your name I call, for we name I go call to, you know. We don't want the family look bad. Because remember we know this one pitney, you know. So, just do it right.
Oh, I go call Bellevue for that mad girl there. Tell her.
Well.
But I do it still because I go like a plan for kill me, sir.
He not kill your man. It's just that she feel like she have to force her to do the right.
I feel like I'm not going to me. I'm not going to my house and I see that and he go, Daddy, I'm not sure if you know me right now because I can't do her nothing.
You can't do her nothing because in the idea she said she pregnant. As she say?
No, but he say pitney born and because I say I go do I go and still you know.
Oh, so you see your name tell me man. So you're the Heidi.
Oh, but
so I have to fix puzzle now.
But I say opinion.
So guess what? Iban already say I have to go do it right. Because I puzzle don't fix, you know. I just if we put it together. So do it right. Here. I remember say your cousin there with you.
Yeah, man.
So anything or anything.
So I go in.
Yeah, man, me I go in because I'm kind of tired, you know?
Alright, do you, man.
Alright.
Boy, I mean, tell us that they come like say, hold on a chip off one for me, brother. So I get a crisis in the youth. Father God, forgive me. Do.
course. Oh God. My kiki, what wait? Oh.
Hello.
Well gone, cuz.
Where the person?
There. You good?
You know, you want me good. You know, so anytime when you call my phone, you want to know what you want.
It's just a little favor me I ask you about, man.
What kind of favor?
Well, you know, say, in a family area, kind of run certain way, you know. I just want something to protect me.
What do you mean protect you?
Cause nobody going like saying, you know, me a talk about.
If you want something to protect you, you don't want to find one man to protect you.
Cause, listen to me, me just have baby. What kind of man you couldn't tell me about if you have in a day in time, yeah? When me just have a baby.
Just go and put the baby in our next room and get a man.
Well, me no want no man. Me no need no man right at this moment. All me want is something to protect me. If I even for pay you little a month time, me not have no problem to do that.
Me can't protect you, you know. Me have too much things to deal with, you know, so you can't pay me for protect you.
Yeah, I know, cause you know me a talk about. Me want whip then. Me want a whip then. See then, me want a whip. Me not go.
You want what?
Whip.
You want a machine?
Yes.
So why you call me over the phone and ask me for this? Why you never come on my yard and come check me? You can't talk to me over phone about this, eh?
That's why me talk to you in a parables, cause.
A 500,000 me sell machine for you.
500?
Yeah, and the only reason me I sell it for 500 to you is because me I have cousin. Me usually sell it for 7.
Me pay a monthly, man.
How much a month? How much you pay me a month?
How much I want a month?
150,000.
50,000?
Yeah, can I work with that?
Yeah, man, me can work with that.
Alright, here we are going to do. Because right now, I'm on a mission right now, so here we are going to do. Go have your house and look for a red bag.
Yeah.
Look at it and you see it. But the one when I send off for only one bullet day night, you know, so you have to make it work.
One bullet and you sell me for so much money, and a one bullet you give me?
I gun me I don't bullet me for.
You're a joker.
You're going to find the gun, and anybody who try to disturb you, you just make sure you don't miss. One shot.
You
so
know,
the next time you see you, make you somebody, but not right now.
Alright then, no problem.
Alright then, say if anything a little more. Watch your head back.
Watch for your head back too.
Yeah.
Later. Come. You know, if you knock your door, so you know.
Where they open?
You know what I do a lot, not long. Alright, there's some saying in that all.
Look how close it's
So take time with it nice. Because you just come in and knock down people door like you want to mash up your door. If baby asleep, you know, let me try to put the little big head crave pitney to bed. Anyway, I mean, what happen now? I'm really glad to say you come. I appreciate it say you come. Everything in our room for me, pampers, and feed. I set out everything because true, I know say I no pitney, I really know about pitney. But I set them in a order and I write them down. He just if you don't understand.
Make sure you don't take long enough.
I just go to his father, go talk to his father and come back.
Make sure you're right father you go to.
You understand?
No.
Make sure say any day if you breed a right man, you breed for make sure say pick me have a right last name.
It's one and only, my dear. So
It's
don't worry
one and
yourself.
only.
No spend whole day. Me have business for them.
You see
have
to
the
me?
man to be worked on.
You see? When me not come back, you see? Left him 1 year and say if I call police
And if
spy.
him ball and no vice, me and him.
No yourself. Me so come.
Come on.
Take care of me, Pitney.
Go on, man.
Yeah, dog, yo, make sure someone pull up on party, my friend. Yeah, bad man, I tell you, me go back in around your bin, man. Yeah, bad man, chunk everything like you know, man. I say everything run good last time, you know, tell you, man. See, I'll get piece of food out of it, too. Yeah, bro. Me so link about my dog.
Well, obviously, it seems like
Which breeze blow you on, sir?
I'm not gonna laughing about which breeze blow around here, so. Well, listen to me. Everybody here say you have a youth will come out other day, right? And it seems like you don't hear. So let me come breaking news to you. You have a bouncing baby boy.
So
Hello.
I see him argument here,
Then
come back
listen
and
what
say,
me I say now. It seems like you know I play a part in your youth life. So me I come here so to make you know what go on. Alright, you know what I say? Let me finish what I go say.
yeah, they say me no want to play a part in my youth life. Me have youth?
Of course you do.
Man, girl, listen to me, girl. You see. You see right now, you reach just one time in a priest, you know say, maybe you ain't rate me. So you may be able to try to do a thing. But I say no. Me feel like you have a serious mental issue, my friend.
I'm say you put me in the mental issue.
Me?
As a matter of fact.
Me? I remember saying I want a little thing we hide and go do better. Zine, me don't know sure say right now you change even though you make boy that you make me feel that way cause my brother, me name if you go against the dog. Cause I broke code, you know. And me go link up. And what you know, you look hide, that's the hide and the thing, you look hide and do it. See that whole village have it, say me have pitney when me didn't even know about.
Listen to me.
I know me say right now plan my party daddy. I'm so happy while ago, you know. Right now you drain out the whole of my energy right now, brother. God knows you.
That nothing to do with me.
Brother,
listen to me.
you
You're
see
gonna do a
brother,
DNA. Listen what me have to say. You talk as much. We are gonna do a DNA test whether you like it or not.
Me not do no test, brother. Me not like injection. Me not like doctor injection. Me not depend that, brother.
We are just saying.
Me not like injection. You know what
like, me no say that like I not injection I get. I swipe them out, swipe them out.
No, but swipe them out. Come like you hear that. Man.
I'm tell you, you say, on generation nowadays, on mind too simultaneous. That's why I'm not catching nowhere in life. But guess what? I don't ask me, I ask
some party them a shot. No bother with that. There's some party them shot.
That's why if you take care of you,
come on,
party them shot.
I'm a big promoter, I'm a ton boy. You know that? I go seek some assistance. You see?
I can assistant you seek for me.
I go do so. And I go call down at the place there. But I call it again, Bellevue. This you need to go. Because you come like you know, just stand up for your brain and my friends. You understand? I understand, so you go to rate me, yes, but that you not for all these.
Isis, you don't know me. You understand? You will take a look of peace off of me.
How up now? Hmm? Me a laugh.
Is it due to me angry?
Angry to me, your baby? Me angry.
I got a call.
You mean got a call? What kind of call I get?
I don't know which one of your woman them or whosoever woman they have out there, I don't know. But I got one. She was like, the guy where I talk to, me need you to leave him alone because I have 2 children for him and he have 12 more out there. 12.
Alright, I'm gonna tell you something. I lie them I tell. Don't believe them. You see, there's some really alright, you see, you can't blame me for relationships I have before me and you meet. You understand me? I say, because I never ask about who and you were there before and I'm something there. Because I said to myself, so I leave it innocently, right?
What about the kids?
A jacket. A jacket they want to give me.
Jacket?
A jacket they want to give me.
12 women a give a jacket?
Of course, because them Muslims is a decent man, have a nice car and them something else. Them a jacket they want to give me, babe.
How come 12 women to give you jacket?
I don't know why them feel like they want to do that to me.
And you want to tell me say not even one out of 10
not even one. Then alright, you want me to introduce you to all them and look on them.
I have time for that.
You go see they don't look like I'm none at all. They have here my big head, my big ears, all them sitting and my big teeth. Then I have, like, me check it out myself. No matter about the fool they want to come in a relationship and mash up it. I tell her that for your fact.
You know, so in marriage or something, but I was like, so this is too good to be
true. Because it is true, that's why it's too good. That's that I think. You have to flip it around, man. Sometimes the devil creates some little talk, Rice, Peter, kill and eat. There's a biblical meaning to it.
You don't want to end up like my cousin.
You not end up like not like that, baby girl. So you mean you won't end up like her?
But you look like her, so me have to go end up.
You're pregnant?
Yeah.
So
Don't take me that night.
when
I
me
am.
in a
6 weeks. It's young.
So not celebrate if you celebrate right now, you come talk about.
Celebrate when me say I have 12 kids out there? How we to celebrate? I think this was the first child.
It's not. It's my first child.
I
But let
don't
me tell
care
you, say
what
the
you wanna
people
say,
might
those
try to
12 kids cannot. All 12 of them cannot be jacket.
a jacket them. They don't fit my cut.
So how the person knows so much things about
Because
me? and don't know nothing about them?
I saw you go, baby girl. Social media. I said, me tell you about social media and something. There. People are gonna try to find out and try to think things and put things in a perspective. Yeah, but I don't know matter your post and people attack, the streets attack. They don't see them carry them something there. So things are going on them. Nobody the fools, man. Nobody follow the mads. You know something now. I know. Of course, I must know.
If I want your man, then I must know. Which one?
No, say
Ashika? Awa? Ashami?
Awa this, beef.
Eh?
No, don't do me that. All right,
Atasha?
All right, here me go do. See? But hold me a call, which part there?
What me answer your call for?
What you mean say answer my call for? No, me and you there. I mean you join the part.
Not anymore.
What? I would just...
You heard me. I can take care of this child by myself. I am working. I'm financially stable for now. But so many cases, I will do it by myself. I'm not going to be standing here hearing that you have 12 women out there with 12 different kids and one of them are of you. And it's all make 30, not even 30, I don't even know if you have them out there. We just see about 12. You sure you don't have them out there?
No, man. I didn't tell you, say, everybody I try to give me a jacket. Cause me,
So, alright. I be a get a jacket now?
No, you're different. As I tell you, say you is not a fling, it's not a thing, is the real deal. You say I'm gonna go to KFC, we not had a chicken box, we had a big deal. It was a big deal. You understand me? I say?
Your words are nothing to me now.
Ah, Jesus.
This
you know what?
we have here is finished.
Me I'll give you a night for just sleep it off.
I could have sleep it off, I could have walk it off, it done. Me done. 12. Why you do this?
Can't believe they are doing this. But everything good still. Everything good.
It's like when you know who you can go and go find a man.
And the matter say fine, and the matter say fine, I know who. But you make it sound like something I really want you. Like me, I just run, but everything good. Since I make up a mind, you make up a mind.
And when I make ball, our ball, field, netball and football.
But the foolishness, man. Come on the opponent something, that's my style, that's my speed.
This is over.
I don't want to see you no more. You can take your care of me. I do it by myself.
To subscribe is free. To subscribe yet.
She thought her man was something she owned, but nothing is ever what it seems. Remember, life is not a dream. He was drifting and she's trying to hold on. Fear of losing him filled her mind till she crossed that line. A child can't keep a man from leaving. Love can't survive unbeaten. Forbidden love is a dangerous thing. Somebody always ends up feeling hurt, no matter how hard you try to make it work. What began in silence became clear. The future she imagined in her head is not the future ahead. Now she's looking at the life she made, wondering if the price was worth what she paid. Because a heart that's free will always roam, and love can't be built on a broken home. She wanted forever, she wanted a sign, but forever can't be forced by design. The harder she tried to control the tide, the more the dream slipped from her side. A child can't keep a man from leaving. Love can't survive unbeaten. Forbidden love is a dangerous thing. Somebody always ends up feeling hurt, no matter how hard you try to make it work. Forbidden love is a dangerous thing.
Action.
Makes sense that start over. I don't like that non-tall public. I don't like that non-tall. Believe me.
Over here, so sit with him, can be a dog shit. Come.
Action.
I pray my sister, you look so. So make your face long down so. I beg shoe me left up so. You know you want me left your yard. You don't turn up there no longer, man. So I pray. You look so, what happened to you?
Me good, yes, sir? Yeah. Action.
Daddy.
Hello. Hello. Let me call about. I'm kind of well busy right now. I need to talk to my daughter. Let me call her back. This is very important. I will call her back. Daughter.
Yeah.
Ah boy. Father God. Why? You call me, so what you say now to the whole situation? What you say to yourself and to me? I'm here, I listen. You don't have nothing to say? Me never can look in your face the way I'm disappointed. The way I'm shame, the way I'm grieve. A couple of days now, I don't eat. I don't come soon on food. You know I'm disappointed in you? I'm talking to you, little girl.
Why can't Jesus Jesus Christ. I should go some food.
Action.
Hold on. Yeah.
Change for me now, please. Tia, you eh? Your clothes are not for you. I tell. Talk again, change. Alright, change me forward.
Action.
Sorry. Come in mad, right? Come in angry and everything. Alright, when you ready.
Wait. Action.
Sorry. What?
Siriano. I'm doing it next time. Here. And action. There's a kind of a I say. Some of the jacket, then give me man. And add them something.
So much when I get that.
Exactly. I pressure the one and the two tall. Well, I'm check first. All right. Action!
But I know some women go through certain changes with them body, them need to go change and you know that's not really not what me can fix. I'm really sorry about what happened.
Blood say accept say the wrong from morning now.
Yeah,
So-
me accept it. Me can't do nothing about it. Everything done gone through the door. So
But not really, like for me I want to know, I want really make you there so still come check me on a day like today still, you know?
well your nephew not have nothing. I'm want some money for you. Me can get some stuff in. That things kinda get hard for me right about now. You know, so me not work again and then look at something there. So I just accept to look at help.
No, then you there.
But
I say nothing man, I go, but I don't want to look more, or no, but I don't want to look more make you get something for your boy, you know, cause you know, like all you didn't sit here for you, know, you didn't sit here make me hot for you or anything, you know, man. Alright, now you could have known the better, you know, but you and your foolishness cause all of this for yourself, Jaja.
but I'm sorry. You can ask us something?
What that?
Yes, sir.
Action!
That's alright, can I carry nothing in my hand for you, so.
What?
Next time, we promise you to come back with them.
Oh, where the stuff for me? Tomorrow morning stay the beautiful. For some good time. Wow. Yeah, me have something for you.
Hello.
Hello. Me have a little mission for the day because me did go check my brother yesterday, right? And I asked my brother to link up the baby father.
If you say my baby father.
Girls, stop that. When you done say my mother already, you know, to do that to myself, you know. But me not idiot. Me know how I pick me. Yeah? Me know how me sleep. Listen to me. I may ask my brother to link him up for me. But me feel like say I'm me if I go link him myself. Reason being, I can't trust nobody. And then again, me did have a little faith and trust in my brother, but he gone. Because me did ask him for money for the baby. And he not give me a whole day to them, I call him phone and the boy not answer me. So that show me why type of person he be. Me see you are all the person you can depend on because me ask you for something, see that you really and truly come and give me. So
What exactly?
me just want to stay with you. And then we go link up with the baby and come. Me just want to go page him. Me just feel like say I'm me to go talk to him because if me have somebody else I talk to him, it don't really make more sense.
Hello. Go on back to grandma. Action!
Never see it,
No, never see you cut up meat before. Official. Action.
Never see you cut up meat before, so I don't want to hear you tell me about sharpen knife. Only time you see you use knife when you want to peel mango or not even vegetable, never see you cut it knife before. I mean, because you get buy the mango, them and you go tell me about no, a 5 years a pay for them. I know, and you see here, you say, but me, you live in a house, so yeah, me know me live in a house, you couldn't
Alright, but you can't do now, you know. I'll see you put something to you.
Yeah, but me I say something to you, me couldn't live on that for me.
Alright, look for now, this one. More talk to you. Your friend.
You say if I couldn't left one of them there for me, I tell me about my friend. You couldn't left one of them there for me.
Your friend, Isis. What one thing?
Isis. One thing.
You not respond to me like, you not talk to me like you normally talk to me. I not see you. I don't know what go on. What go on?
I say, Isis busy for our day. Our day in business right now, you know.
But instead, you can shop more and text and tell me what go on and support. You not have to hide from me and then do something. I can't talk to you.
You can't talk to him for you, know, but
What?
I go try my best to talk to you, make you know what go on. Because watch out now. Is it true? He's a busy man and I'm busy myself. Yeah, so when we link up, we just only thing we start do a drink more while we leave have time to catch up certain. We only catch up upon the rum them. So when we see him, if me remember, we make you know say they check for him. See him way. When I say from auntie.
Oh, there was somebody that I couldn't do. And she asked me for it, and I said that.
And when auntie say I said the next food.
She said me, she will send the money this time, yeah? And when we want to give me, I must give it to you. Because every time you get money, you're shopping my money.
No, so really, so you really go to auntie with argument.
Me not go to her with argument. She asked me how much we get and I tell her and she said, no, you should get more than that. So you wash out more money. So she said next time she go send me the money.
No, I don't really that in that you Isis still say what I'm on the bar, you know.
So why you never tell me that?
You know that me I tell her no.
No, but you never tell me that before.
Because you never asked.
But I never know how much
you never asked.
I didn't know how much we get.
You never have to know if you never asked.
You know, say, your big brother, you have a low self-esteem. You know that? You know, say, you know, and me always a little fear.
You know what the advice if you do? Learn to cook. Because you tell them about me cook.
What? Bobby, what are you talking about? Come here.
Yo, I do a happy friends too, you know? You know, so you have to keep it door locked, because the breeze a slam the door upon it.
No. She said me hurt her when me cheat. All of the tears them drop on the sheet like rain pan zinc in a midnight heat. Phone start ring and me can't even speak. Phone lock up like traffic on the street. Screenshot them secret leak like oil pan water. Everybody see, she said me broke her heart in a two. All of the promise when me talk never true. My words sweet like honey but it bitter too. Now she pack back say she done, she a leave me there so me lose. She said me hurt her when me cheat, yeah. Me heart heavy, me knees weak. Like me run marathon in a 1 week. Me wish me coulda take back every little sneak. Every late night, every sneak peek. She said me hurt her when me cheat. Now me there just a watch her leave like when movie end. But me still there in a the seat. If me didn't know so love sweet, me woulda never do it. Woulda never never cheat. Brethren, them laugh, say me too soft, but them same one single. When you lose goal and you're left with glass. Me did play games, remember the soup and the stove on a Sunday. Remember she wait for me call till a Monday. Me dey out the road, say me soon reach. Meanwhile she a bar. She can't sleep. She say me hurt her when me cheat. Me heart heavy, me knees weak. Me guilt loud like siren pon the street. Me wish me coulda take back every little sneak, every late night, every sneak peek. She say me hurt her when me cheat. Now me there, I just a watch her leave like candle burn out, no more heat. If me did know, say love did so sweet, would I never do it? Would I never cheat? Yeah. Now everywhere me turn, I you me zip on the lane, on the bed, every dream, if regret was a rope, it tie me like anchor on my soul. Me can't free. Would I trade all my pride for just one more night, one more chance, one fresh beginning? Me text me call, she reach it on. She say youth, you finally lose the one. Me there talk to me one reflection. This are your lesson. She say me hurt her when me cheat. Me heart heavy, me knees weak. Like rain fall slope and break up street. Wish me coulda take back every little sneak, every late night, every sneak peek. She say me hurt her when